The Clockmaker's Secret. In a quiet European town surrounded by foggy hills, lived an old clockmaker named Elias. His tiny shop, Moments and Mechanisms, was filled with clocks of every kind, grandfather clocks, pocket watches, cuckoos, and sand timers. One rainy morning, a nobleman named Lord Amo entered Elias's shop with an unusual request. "I want a clock that doesn't measure time, but controls it." Elias looked up, eyes filled with something between wisdom and warning. He simply said, "It can be made, but only once." For months, Elias worked in secrecy. Locals whispered about strange lights from his windows and ticking that could be heard even in dreams. Finally, Elias presented the nobleman with a golden pocket watch that had no hands, only a glowing center. "This," he said, "will show you the time you waste." As Lord Amo carried the watch, it would grow dimmer when he lied, brighten when he helped others, and completely stop when he acted out of greed. Slowly, it changed him. He began spending time with his family, helping the poor, and found happiness he'd never known. Years later, Lord Amo returned to the shop. He placed the watch on Elias's counter and smiled. "I no longer need it," he said. "Time now lives in me." Elias nodded, proud. "Then you've truly learned what most never do, that every moment is a choice." Not long after, Elias passed away. The town mourned the quiet genius. But every clock in his shop ticked perfectly, except one, the strange golden watch, now stopped forever at the time of his death. The shop became a museum, and Elias's story lived on. Children who visited were told, he wasn't just a clockmaker. He was a teacher of time. Time cannot be owned, borrowed, or saved. It can only be lived.